Hey, hi, my lovely people. Welcome to Daily Job Bits channel. If you're a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today, in this video, I'm going to show about cloud fresher as well as experienced job openings. Okay. If you are a fresher, you may be from the any education backgrounds, guys. You may be from the BE, Tech, ME, Tech, BCA, MCA, Diploma, BCom, MCom, MBA, not a problem. If you are just having degree in your hand, you can apply to the job openings. And moreover, you may be from the any day, any batches case. You may be from the 2024, 23, 22, 21, 19, 20, not a problem, guys. You can apply. And the persons who want to switch your career from the non-IT to the IT and from the various domains of the IT to the cloud, or you may be having the career gaps in your life, not a problem. You can also apply. Okay. If you are having just skills, okay, if you are having this AWS cloud skills, you can easily apply to the job openings. And I'm clearly telling you once again, if you are fresher, you don't have any experience, or if you're having at least internship experience, also not a problem, you can apply. And moreover, experienced candidate, I'm telling you, you may be having 0 years of experience, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years of experience can also apply to the job openings. Okay. So I'm requesting everyone, please watch this video completely till the end. And if you are watching this video completely till the end, then only you are going to get benefited from this job opportunities. I'm telling you. And please requesting everyone to please subscribe my channel, because from past few days, as I can see, just many of the people are just coming to my channel. They are watching the videos, but they aren't subscribing. As you can see, the YouTube statistics only, it's showing that only 24% of the at least 25% of the people have subscribed to my channel. Remaining 75% of the people haven't subscribed. I'm requesting everyone, please subscribe and watch this video completely till the end. Okay. So now we'll directly jump into the job openings. Here, the first job opening comes from the LinkedIn. Okay. In LinkedIn, there is one profile. Okay. He is a software engineer. His name is Kanish S. Okay. So here, as you can see here, he has updated today only, just before 3 hours, he has updated that he is hiring for the position of AWS Cloud Engineer trainee positions. This is completely for the fresher, guys. Okay. If you are a fresher, here is a golden opportunity for the AWS Cloud Engineer trainee. He has clearly mentioned the role is trainee position, qualifications, BCA, BCCA, BE, BSc, BTech, MCA. Okay. So he has mentioned some of the qualifications. If you are from this education backgrounds, you can apply. And moreover, look at this qualification is Nagpur, Pune. There are, okay. So he has mentioned the location also, and skills. What are the skills you require for this, to apply for the job opening is basics programming. Okay. You should be know at least it may be C, C++, Java, anything, guys. Your choice. If you know at least basic programming, basics, remember the point, Windows or Linux, and you should be knowing Linux as well as a Linux. Okay. So he has mentioned that you should be knowing Linux as well as a Windows and problem solving skills. See, if you just know about basics programming and as well as Windows and Linux, if you are having just basic knowledge on this, you can apply. Okay. And here he is hiring for the AWS cloud position, but he hasn't mentioned the cloud. Remember that point. Okay. And the fresher candidates will undergo with the training program. Interested candidates can apply along with their resumes and contact. See, here you will be going the training also. He has clearly mentioned fresher candidates will undergo with the training program. So remember that point. Okay. So how will it apply for this job opening is perceptvidib@gmail.com. So this is his email ID. He has given his email ID. So you need to apply your CV to this. Okay. So this was the first job openings for the fresher, guys. And now the second one comes from the Naukri.com. Okay. See here in Naukri, there is a one fresher opening. Here, look at this Spectra. The company name itself is a Spectra. Okay. Here, they are mainly hiring for the position of intern cloud engineer, cloud consultant. Okay. So this is completely for the freshers. Look at this, 0 to 1 years of experience. Moreover, this is a remote, and the hiring office is located at Bangalore. So this company, the Spectre company, is located at Bangalore, but they are mainly hiring for the position of remote. Maybe from the Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, not a problem. You may be from the any part of this India, you can apply. Okay. So for the freshers, this is a golden opportunity. If you are having 6 months of internship experience or 1 year of working experience in any other domain, like it may be the Linux, networking, anything, you can apply. So here they have mentioned, look at this, they have posted this job opportunity just 1 day ago. Already 47 applicants have applied. So please apply as early as possible, because if the applications are high, your resume may not be shortlisted. Okay. And look at this job highlight. They have cleared this. You will be having rotational shift. Okay. And moreover, this is a first intend to work on cloud computing to learn and develop, implement, optimize, maintain cloud-based solutions in collaboration with our team. So here we are mainly working on the cloud computing. Okay. And flexible with work in different shift. As I already told you, it's a rotation shift, and you will be having stipend month. First month you will be having no stipend, guys. Telling you, okay. Month 4 full-time offer of termination of internship based on the performance evaluation of the internship period. See, this is first of all, this is internship plus job offer, guys. This is not a complete job offer. They have clearly mentioned that first it may be going for first 4 months. Okay, first month you'll be not having any salary. Okay, so you need to work free of cost, and from the second, third, fourth month you are going to get, and based on the fourth or third month of internships performance, based on your performance, they are going to get you a job offer letter. Okay, so this is the thing. Here they have clearly mentioned everything, and look at this. They have mentioned the skills, everything they have mentioned. Prerequisites: understanding of cloud technologies such as AWS, Azure, GCP. Here you should be good at least one cloud. It may be AWS, it may be Azure, it may be GCP. Okay. Next is, here they have mentioned Python, PowerShell, Bash. You will be good at least one scripting. It may be Python, PowerShell, or Bash. Your choice. And you should be knowing what is SDLC, software development lifecycle. You should be knowing that. Okay, and you should have at least degree. And if you are having certification in Azure, that are highly preferred. Okay, and they have mentioned that you should be having troubleshooting and analytical skills and communication. So these are the things. Look at this. Here they have mentioned the stipend also, what they are going to provide. First month there will be no stipend for you. First, second, and third month you will be having 10,000 per month, purely subject to your performance and contributions. Here, how you are going to perform, based on that you are going to get a stipend. Okay, and this is completely remote one. Remember the point. Fourth month full-time offer of termination of internship based on the performance evaluation during the internship period. So you will be having complete 4 months of internship. So here they have mentioned that PG, any graduate, from the any degree, guys, you can apply. So before, while applying to this internship opportunity, please remember this skills. You need to modify your resume as according to these skills. Okay. So this is the second job opportunity for you. You just go to apply section and apply to this job opening. Okay. So this was the second job opportunity for you. Now the third one. Okay, the third one is from the company called SIRS. Okay, this company name itself is a SIRS. Okay, here they have mentioned the position is cloud operation engineer. Look at this. This is the location is Rajkot. Moreover, this is a full-time job opportunity. I'm telling you, it's completely for the fresher as well as experienced candidate. Guys, you may be having at least 0.6 of internship experience. If you are just done one single internship experience, you can apply to this job opening. I'm telling you. Preferred qualifications. Look at here. 1 to 4 years of experience in cloud infrastructure and operations domains. Here you should be having at least 1 year of experience. 1 year of experience means you might be having 6 months or 10 months of internship experience. Not a problem. You can apply, but it should be mainly on the cloud. Okay, that is important. And experience with Linux systems, RAHL, CentOS preferred. Here you should be having a hands-on experience or a real-time experience on the Linux, or it may be the Red Hat, or it may be the CentOS. Okay, if you are in this, you are highly preferred. Specialize in 1 or 2 cloud deployment platforms: AWS, Azure, AWS, Azure, GCP. Here they have clearly stated that you should be at least good at least one cloud. It may be AWS, it may be Azure, it may be GCP. Hands-on experience with AWS, GCP services. So you should be having the hands-on experience on the AWS, either a GCP. Experience with 1 or more programming languages: Python, JavaScript, Ruby, Java, .NET. Okay, you should know at least one programming language. It may be the Python, C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Ruby, Java, .NET, anything. That's not a problem. And here you should be having good understanding. They have clearly mentioned that you should having good understanding of Apache Web Server, Nginx, MySQL, MongoDB, Nagios. Here they have mentioned that you should be having the knowledge on the web servers as well as the databases. And they have clearly mentioned the databases as well as web servers. So you should mention this. Okay, you should mention, then only you are going to get shortlisted. Knowledge and configuration management tools such as Ansible, Terraform, Puppet, Chef. Okay, you should be knowing the configuration management. If you know at least 1 or 2, that is very good. If you know just Ansible, Terraform, that is very good. If you know only Puppet and Chef, that is also good. Experience working with deployment and orchestration technologies such as Docker, Kubernetes, Mesos. You should be knowing the deployment and orchestration technologies. That is, Docker and Kubernetes are very mandatory, guys. So if you haven't learned, please learn it. Okay. And the next is deep experience in customer facing roles with a proven track of record, effective verbal and written communication. So you should be having the ability to handle the customers. Okay. So this is the third job opportunity for fresher as well as experienced guys. See, if you are having 2 years, 3 years, 4 years experience, can also apply, not a problem here. Okay. And one more important thing is, guys, I'm telling you once again, if you are first time to my channel, I'm requesting you, please please subscribe my channel. Okay, this is my daily job updates channel. Look at this. Here I have created various playlists for the AWS fresher. It's not just for the AWS. It may be Azure. Okay, you can watch this video and apply to the job links. If you want the links, you can message me Instagram or in the Telegram or in the LinkedIn. Anywhere, guys, you can message me. I'm going to send you the all links completely free. Okay, once again, I'm telling you, if you want all the job opening links, you can send me a just message. Okay, just first you need to send invitation. Okay, and while the invitation only, you can directly send me the message also. This is my Instagram handle, Vishwa Karkalle. So you need to send a message like this. I'm going to show you how you need to message also. Look at this. Here one guy has messaged me AWS and fresher job openings. See, if you may mention me, if you're looking for Azure, if you're looking for GCP, not a problem. I can send you the links. If you're looking for DevOps also, see, he has mentioned clearly given that. So I have sent him all the links. So I'm going to send you all the links. Okay, and that too without freely, guys. I'm not taking any single money from you. You just need to send a message. If you're not on the Telegram, please. If you're not on the Instagram, you can ask me for the Telegram or in a LinkedIn. Okay, I'm going to send you all the platforms. So this is the third job opportunity. Now let's directly get into the fourth one. The fourth one is also from the same company, sirs. Okay, this company is mainly hiring for the same positions in various different locations. Previously, it has hired for the, here they have given the location is Rajkot, right? Here it's for the Pune location. Look at this. It's for the Pune location. The job role remains same, cloud operation engineering, and the skills, everything remains same. If you look at the skills section, look at this. 1 to 4 years of experience in cloud infrastructure operation domains. As I already told you, the skills are same. You should be good at least one cloud. The cloud is AWS, GCP, Azure. Okay, and here they have clearly mentioned you should be good at AWS or a GCP services. It's your choice. Any cloud. And the programming language, it may be the Python, Java, Ruby, .NET, anything. Okay, so the skills are same, everything is same, only the job location is different. So that's why I'm not writing about the job role and everything. So please, if you want to apply for the job opening, just go to this. Okay, click apply for this position is right. So you need to click on this. Okay, you need to apply your resume. And the next one is also from the same company, guys. If you look at this, the position is cloud engineer. The company name is Search. Okay, the company name is Search, and here the position they are hiring for is cloud engineer, and the location is Mumbai. Many people from past few days they were asking me for the jobs from the Mumbai as well as Pune locations. This is golden opportunity for you guys. Okay, so please don't miss this. If you read at the role responsibility, you are going to get a clear idea. I'm not going to read about the key responsibilities, everything. I'm just going to read about the preferred qualifications. Look at this. Here, this company is very good company. As you can see, they have mainly hiring for multiple positions for us in a single company. 1 to 3 years of experience in a cloud infrastructure and operation domain. The skills are same. If you are having at least 1 year, 0.6 months of experience, not a problem. You can apply. Or 2 years of experience, 3 years of experience can also apply. Experience with Linux systems and Windows servers. As I already told you, the skills is everything same, guys. See, the skill is same, but the job role, everything is different. It's for the cloud engineer. The previous one was different. As well as you just need to have the skills like AWS and GCP, and you should know about in the AWS, you should be having hands-on experience in the EKS, ECS, EC2, VPC, RDS, Lambda, GKE, Compute Engine. So these are the services which you need to mention in your resume. These are very important. If you don't know, learn, and then only you need to add in your resume. Okay. Experience with 1 or more programming languages, Python, JavaScript, Ruby, Java, .NET. You should be having at least 1 or more programming language hands-on experience. That is must. Okay. And good understanding of Apache Web Servers, Nginx, MySQL, MongoDB, Nagios. As I already told you, you should be also having knowledge on the web servers as well as the databases. And here they have mentioned the logging as well as the monitoring tools, ELK, Stock Diver, and CloudWatch. Here you should be having hands-on experience in the CloudWatch, ELK. And you should be knowing the DevOps technologies. Okay. It may be Ansible, Maven, Git, GitHub, Jenkins, Terraform. It may be anything. Here they have mentioned, look at this, Ansible, Terraform, Puppet Chef. Okay. And you should be knowing the Docker, Kubernetes. So these are the things which they have mentioned here. So please mention this in your resume. Okay. Please mention this in your resume and apply to the job openings. Fourth job opportunity for you guys. Now the last one is also from the same company. It's for the complete experience candidate, guys. Okay, if you are it's the position name is cloud architect. As you can see, the location is Bengaluru, and moreover this is also a full-time job opportunity. Okay, so if you come at the down preferred qualifications, here they have clearly mentioned that you should be having at least 3 to 8 years of experience. You will be having 3 years, 4 years, 5 years experience, not a problem. And if you have completed your degree in the, it may be if you have completed your degree or in the master degree also, you can apply, not a problem. Okay, and here they have mentioned that with at least 2 to 3 years of hands-on experience in cloud computing, that you should have at least 2 to 3 years of experience in AWS, Azure, GSP. It may be any choice, it may be any domain, not a problem. And IT operational experience in a global enterprise environment. So you should be having you should be having the experience that to mainly from the IT operational only. Okay, and good analytical communications, problem solving, and learning skills. So you should be having the good communication skills, knowledge on programming against a cloud platform such as Google Cloud Platform and a lean development methodology. So here they have mentioned that you should be having the knowledge on the programming also, and you should be having the knowledge on the cloud also. So if you are having at around 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, not a problem, you can apply. Here, look at this. If you read about the job roles and responsibilities, you will clearly get the more idea about the what skills they are hiring. So if you are experienced candidate applying for this position, please read the key responsibilities also. Okay, and how you apply for this job opening is just click on this apply for this position. Okay, you just need to go down and you need to apply for this job opening also. So these are the job openings which I wanted to show you for today's, guys. If you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share the channel with your friends. And if you're looking for any other job opportunities in my channel, please mention in the comment section. I will be happy to bring all the job openings from any domain. It may be for the fresher, it may be for the experience. Mention in the comment section. I will be happy to bring. Have a good day. All the best for your interest. Bye.